Hello and welcome to ActivTrades biggest market movers. Today I'll be looking at the euro against the US dollar. I'll be discussing its recent trading history, and I'll also be identifying the key technical levels that you need to know going forward. So we've seen the euro dollar back away from the yearly high that was set on Tuesday around 115.83, and it's currently trading around 115.20 ahead of the ECB interest rate decision and press conference. Traders remain cautious ahead of Mario Draghi's speech, as it's uncertain whether the ECB president will announce a tightening of the quantitative easing program now, or he will wait until his Jackson Hole speech in August. If we have a look to the key technical levels going forward on the euro dollar, you can see here I have a weekly price chart. If we have a look at the key technical levels, you can see that we're trading in between the 100-week moving average and the 200-week moving average. So we've got a large range here between the 110 level and we're possibly approaching the top of the band there around the 11800. So that could be a potential target going forward for the euro dollar around 118. If we have a look to levels above the recent yearly high at 115.80, we can see that we have this former high here around 116.13, which was the 2006 yearly price high, and then of course we're moving back to 2015 levels around the 117 area and above. So there could be potential targets to the upside if we do see a more hawkish Mario Draghi today. If we have a look to the downside, key technical levels to watch, we have the former weekly high at 114.89. If we start to move underneath this level, have a look for price to potentially go towards the weekly pivot point around 114.43. And if we start to slip underneath that level and take out the 114, then we will move back towards potentially where the breakout started from the November 2016 election day high there, spike higher, and we obviously broke above that 113 level and we haven't looked back. So that could be an area that we could come back to retest, but at the moment we're sitting comfortably around the 115.20 level, and all signals are bullish for the euro until we start really to stop breaking underneath that 115 level, and that might cause some concern for the bulls. But at the moment, keep your eye on that large range between 114.43 and 115.83. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades biggest market movers, and you could trade the euro dollar for spreads as low as 0.5 pips at ActivTrades.